Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, when I first came across this story, one word and one word only came to my mind, and that word of course is politics. This is politics at play here. As guys, I bring you this. Buhari names rail station after Goodluck Jonathan. So of course you already see why I started the way I started. This is nothing other than a politics at play here. This is just entirely vested and situated in the realms of politics. Again, Buhari names rail station after Goodluck Jonathan. So now let's get into the details of it. President Buhari has approved the naming of the rail complex in Agbo, Delta State, after former President Goodluck Jonathan. Buhari's special assistant on new media, Tolu Ogunlesi, made the announcement on Saturday. Ogunlesi on Twitter quoted the Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi, as saying the facility will be known as the Goodluck Jonathan Rail Station and Complex. The station is the operational hub of the Itape-Warri rail line. Jonathan is currently in Mali as the Economic Community of West African States ECOWAS Special Envoy. He is leading the body's mediation mission. Malians have been calling on President Ibrahim Keita to resign. Jonathan is expected to facilitate dialogue with all principal stakeholders. So this is politics at play here, and this is several mixes that meshes into this politics that is at play. One, Goodluck Jonathan is in Mali at the moment at the behest of the ECOWAS committee. So it is an ECOWAS mission, not a Nigerian mission. So with this now move that Buhari is making, is looking to tap into the luster of that move now to say, I too am with Jonathan, etc. And even though we have issues, I can still identify his qualities. So that's the one move. Another move, of course, is a diversion from all of this Malami and Mago scandal that is agitating the mind of the Nigerian population at the moment, because you know, of course, Nigeria fleets from one drama to another. So him now announcing Goodluck Jonathan moves the story away, of course, from Malami and Mago to now, oh, Buhari is now friends with Jonathan, oh, and then Goodluck Jonathan, he did it. So it's now moving the story to Jonathan effectively. It's another move. So this is politics, of course. It's several layers, and it also plays to the politics of that region. You will, of course, remember that the Edo seat is up for contention at the moment between Obaseki and Izeyamo. So all of this in the mix. So that was why I started in the way that I did start, that this is politics in its entirety. Conversations in the comment section. Mallam Buhari is naming a rail station after Goodluck Jonathan. What do you make of it? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all three, then come into the comment section. Come tell me what you are making of what I am describing as a political move, but you can describe it in your own wordings in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.